What is up, guys? We're back. It's Joe on Twos. Look at this great little spot I pulled over for you guys on my little ride. Doing another video for you guys. Like I said, every 2 weeks, make sure you like, subscribe, comment what you want more of, what you like, and everything. So we're really trying to make this channel grow. This video is going to be shorter. I'm going to try to shorten my content so you guys, can enjoy a little bit more of it without having to watch as long. Today's video, 5 things you didn't know, you weren't told about riding before you got into it. For all my newbies out there, these are some things to know. Cue the intro. The first thing that you didn't really know about riding before you got into it was basically exactly what I just did. I went to a little creek on the side, get a photo, start the video. This route I'm taking to my girlfriend's. You're gonna go out of your way to find a more enjoyable route or have more fun on the road there. When I first got my bike, I was like, yeah, it's just gonna make everything I do getting for me to be more fun. Now let's keep everything the same. Nope. Shortly into riding, I was like, well, crap, I need to find a little bit more of an exciting way to get to places because all the roads are straight. So, that's the first thing. You will go out of your way to make or find a more enjoyable ride that is most likely gonna add time and mileage to your route, and you won't care about it. You're just gonna be like, yeah, that's just how it works. Granted, you're on a bike, you might make up some time and still get there at the same time you would have if you're in the car on the other route, but basically, yeah. Second note, joyrides are gonna be a lot more common than you thought. They're like all the time. Like, lately, I go out every weekend on a joyride. I plan these rides. I literally ride all day Sunday. I will get out there 9, 10 a.m., ride until 6 p.m. Not just because I'm a bum and I work on Mondays and I'm a lazy seckish. But, yeah, joyrides are a very big thing of riding, and you might not think you're going to want to, but the more saddle time you get, the more comfortable you're going to get on the bike, and you're going to want to ride more and more just for the hell of it. And, yeah. So, I hope you have time, because if you're getting into riding, you're going to learn to love joyrides, and you're just going to go out to ride, man. You're not going to go out to get somewhere. It's not about where you're going, it's how you get there. And literally, sometimes you just get nowhere. But you have a good time doing it, because you're on a motorcycle. Third note, when they say you're going to get good gas mileage with a motorcycle, it's not always as it seems. Yes, you're on a motorcycle, it gets great gas mileage. And yes, yeah, you get great gas mileage if you're especially doing, what I'm doing right now. Just going from A to B. But remember what I mentioned about joyrides? Now, if you're in a cruiser, you're on the bike, but you're just going out to enjoy nature, yes, your mileage is going to stay relatively the same for whether you're going places or if you're going out for joyrides, because you're just going out to enjoy the cruise, If you're on a sport bike, though, the more and more you ride, the more joyrides you go on, the better you're going to get, the more you're going to want to push it. And when you're out riding, when you're hitting the twisties, you're not sitting down here in, by the way, my Speedo does not work, so I'm not going that fast right now. You're not, your RPMs aren't sitting down low at 3, 4, 5,000. They're up, 8, 9, 10K on the RPMs, because that's where the power band is, and that's where you get the most throttle. Well, throttle tube controls in your hand, but that's where you have the most bang for your buck at the twist of the wrist. You have the finest tuning control, so you're going to spend a majority of your time up there, and what that does is it kills your gas mileage. Number 4, you're gonna have to learn how to pack light. Because you always think, oh yeah, I can just fill up my backpack, whatever, I can live out of a backpack. Well, one, when you get motorcycle bags, they're a lot tinier than regular backpacks. And you're gonna want it some type of motorcycle bag because regular backpacks don't have any wind protection. And it's very easy for wind to come over your head, catch the middle spot of the zippers where they meet, open your bag, and you lose all your shit. Everything flies out, and if you're on the highway, you can say goodbye. To anything that you got in your backpack. So you're going to be working with smaller backpacks, and when your bag is heavy, riding gets a lot more tiring, a lot quicker. That like has like one clean line through it, all those patches. But anyway, yeah, you don't want to be like hella heavy shit in your bag. So you're gonna have to learn how to pack light, no matter what you're doing. And they don't really tell you that, so you better get good at it. The final thing, the fifth and final thing. You don't hear about motorcycles, and you don't know until you get on one. Winters suck. They are the worst. Putting the bike away, and you get a little depressed. You get like, oh, my bike's just sitting there getting old, not being used. Oh, I'm so sad. Literally the worst. Winters suck. Anything that you did, snowboarding, anything, it's still fun, but it's not nearly as enjoyable as riding, and it all gets sour real quick. So get used to the fact you're not gonna like winters. If you're down in south or you're out west coast, you're a lucky SOB. But for us northeasterners, it's not a fun time. Even if you do ride in the winter, I know guys that do it on their sport bikes, it's just not as fun. So those are for the 5 things that you don't necessarily hear about riding before you get into it, but you will figure it out real quick the more you ride. I hope you guys are liking the videos. Please comment, like, or subscribe. Well, all 3 actually. Share the videos, share my channel. Like I said, I'm trying to make this grow. New video coming soon on the goals I have for the channel, so you'll know what you're, supporting as you follow me through these adventures. But I will catch y'all next time on Joe on 2s. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Have a great weekend. It's beautiful out. Look at this. Anyway, peace out, guys.